guys, Abby Grace here. I am sitting right outside of Dana Hall, which is the dorm that I live in. So I really like Dana. Dana is kind of sandwiched in between the library and the chapel, so it's in a really good spot, kind of in the middle of campus. Coming in as a freshman, you're gonna have 3 different dorm options. You can live in Ford, which is up where like the castle type area is, up there near the baseball and softball fields, along with like the Office of Admissions, where if any of you ever come on a tour, you know, that's where you'll go. So that's an option for freshmen, male and female dorms. It's really pretty up there. Another option is Morton Limley. Every dorm kind of has like its positives that people like about it. Morton Limley, you'll have the biggest room, biggest closet. It's also in a good place on campus, and it's separated male, female by floor. And then this is Dana, where I live. Dana is great because it's in a good spot and it has a sink in the room, which none of the other dorms do, so that's really cool. Dana is shaped like a horseshoe, so it's split down the middle, girls on one side, guys on the other, like separated by hallway, which is really cool. Every dorm, no matter which 3 you live in, it's gonna be like a traditional style dorm. You're gonna have a room, you know, that you share with one other roommate, maybe 2 other roommates. There's a few triples, but usually you're just gonna have one other roommate. You're gonna share a bathroom with your hall. And then like every floor is gonna have a kitchen and like a laundry room that they share pretty much. So yeah, I'm about to take you guys inside and we can see a little bit of what Dana looks like. Another thing that I really like about Barry is that right here you have to scan your student ID in order to get into your hallway. So I have mine on the back of my phone case. So it unlocks and you can go into your hallway. Right here on our hallway, we have these water bottle refillers as well as water fountains. And I was gonna show you our restroom right through here. So I live on a smaller hall. I share this restroom with about 10 other girls, but I have never ever had to wait on a shower before. We have 2 restroom stalls and then we have 2 showers. And everyone just really gets on their own routines and you never really have to worry about running into a lot of people in the bathroom, or at least that's been my experience. The bathrooms are cleaned twice a day. I was really nervous about sharing a bathroom with a lot of girls, but honestly, this bathroom, since it gets cleaned twice a day, it stays cleaner than mine at home. So this is the inside of my room in Dana. There is the sink that's so famous, everybody wants. Obviously, there's a lot of ways that you can set up your room, but this is how my roommate and I wanted to set ours up. We have our closets right here, and then right here we have like this cute little kitchen area where we've used my dresser to stack our kitchen stuff on top. And then there's her dresser like opposite of mine. So like we have this little hallway that leads back here. Now a lot of people loft their beds to have more room, but we decided we wanted ours on the ground so we can have more like a couch, kind of casual, lounging around type feel. This makes it really easy for us to have lots of friends over. And then I have my desk right here. So yeah, this is just like my little corner back here. It's so fun, it's so cozy and casual. I really like our room. It's not the biggest. I've definitely seen bigger rooms in Dana, but I really like our arrangement and how we have it set up. It's really nice. It's a really great place to hang out, to do homework, and just like coexist together.